Hi, welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about clustering markers. These big blue bubbles with numbers in them are clustered markers. If we click on them once, we can zoom in and zoom in again. But we're going to stay out here for just a minute. If you're using your grouping tool, and grouping by a column in the data, those clusters will turn into pie charts. These pie charts, when clicked once, show you various charts. If you click on it twice, it zooms in. Now, why did your markers cluster? This happens when you have more markers than your threshold allows. Let me explain. Now, every map, we have a maximum number of locations, period. But in your settings in Map Markers and Graphics, you'll see an Uncluster Below option. Mine is on 5,000. If I turn it off, they're going to stay clustered even as I zoom in. "2,000 markers." Your markers will show when you have less than 2,000 markers on your map. 5,000 markers, those markers will show 5,000 and less. I'm probably a little high there, but see, there we go. And of course, 7,500 markers and 10,000 markers. Now, just to give you an idea, this, when we do 10,000, is going to give you a warning. This can impact the performance of the map. And this is because it has to process all of those markers in order for you to see them like this. So, do you want to cluster dense markers? I think you do, because one of the things that it will do for you is ensure your map loads very, very quickly. So if I refresh, this takes a lot less time to load with these clustered markers. As you zoom in, of course, you're going to see more, but that's what these are doing for you. And in my opinion, the pie chart is actually really makes a helpful visual. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.